Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. For the month of December, I'm giving away the Beauty Bakery's Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video, talks about how to enter that. I also have a ton of other giveaways too. A Tati beauty palette, a monthly where we're doing an entire bag, a holiday giveaway, all sorts of different stuff. So a Neiman Marcus giveaway, all the links are in the description box down below. Take you to the different videos, talk about how to enter all of my giveaways. Number one rule for every single one of my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber, you guys, and I do check. We're a fun group here. Join us. So today we are talking Sephora Play. Sephora Play ships out $10 a month. There's supposed to be over $65 worth of products in here for $10 a month, but it's mainly sample sizes. So a lot of times you can get sample sizes for free. So is it really $65 worth? You do get to try a bunch of high-end products like Clinique, Urban Decay, Amica. They say that they're supposed to start including some Tatcha products. I personally haven't seen any Tatcha products in my boxes yet. Still waiting for that day. And all the boxes are really well-rounded. You get beauty, you get makeup, you get skincare, you get hair care. So let's find out what we got for the month of December. So there is a pamphlet. This side talks about the products. This side and the Play Award goes to. The competition was fierce, but these are beauty winners that rose to the top. First product in here is from Smashbox. It's a super fun mascara in black. Your Lashes #1 fan. This lengthening mascara delivers lift and volume that lasts up to 12 hours. How to use: apply from the root of the tip to build length. Turn the volume by coating the top of the lashes, then the bottom. Ooh, I love that it's a tinier wand. It's great to get the lower lashes on. I really like this, like to see how it performs. Hopefully it's not a really wet formula, because wet formulas for me really transfer to the bottom lash. But like underneath, and I almost look like a football player with black marks. So hopefully that doesn't happen, because it's got the thinner lash that I really like. Full size of this does retail for $22. The next product is from Wander Beauty. It's a lip retreat oil in the color Skinny Dip. Roll out the red carpet for a standout oil in a pretty pink shade that nourishes lips and delivers a glossy finish. Get the ingredients: Rosa Carna fruit oil provides essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. Apricot kernel oil helps firm and tone the look of the skin, and avocado oil moisturizes the skin. I like using lip oils in the spring and the summer, so I'm not wearing a full shade of lipstick. Here's what that kind of looks like. Kind of looks like that on the hand. And then there, I mean, you can barely even see it. Pretty. Full size of this does retail for $22. For Bobbie Brown is a long wear cream shadow stick in golden pink. The shimmering pinky peach eyeshadow stick is the cream of the crop. Especially glides onto the lids and stays in place for up to 8 hours. How to use: swipe the stick across your lid and blend with fingertips for an oh-so-easy application. This one is in the shade golden pink. A full size of this does retail for $30. Here is the color. I'm not gonna swatch this because I have such deep set eyes. Creamy ones like this don't really work for me because they always transfer up. So I'm gonna be putting this one in a future giveaway. I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit 700 subscribers, so help us get there. From Dermalogica is the Daily Microfoliant Exfoliator Shine Up the Trophy. We've got a winner. When mixed with warm water, this rice-based powder gently exfoliates skin, leaving it smoother and bright. I've gotten into a lot more powder skincare lately because it can go a lot further because you're not paying basically for the weight of the water in your skincare. As soon as you mix it, then you have that consistency. So get the ingredients. Salicylic acid clears impurities from the skin. Colloidal oatmeal helps calm the skin. Tea tree oil keeps skin clear looking. It's an award winner. It's chosen for me based on skin concerns. So I'm excited to try this. A full size of this, you guys, retails for $59. From Fresh, it's a Soy Fresh Cleanser. We did get a full size of this in my last BoxyCharm. So this cleanser is anything but washed up. The formula removes dirt and makeup, but without stripping the skin of essential moisture. Get the ingredients. Amino acid rich soy proteins help maintain elasticity. Cucumber extract soothes skin. Rose water calms and balances. It is one of their best sellers. So on skincare that I've already tried and I know works for me, like this one, because I have the full size, I like getting the sample sizes of that because then I can put it in my travel bag. When it's something I've never tried before, for skincare, you gotta wait a little bit and see if it's gonna work for you. And a sample size like this wouldn't do it if you hadn't already tried the full size. So I am happy about this one because I have tried it. And the full size does retail for $38. We have our bonus item is 2 products by Amica. It's foil products. This is a 3D voluming thickening shampoo and conditioner. Give hair a boost with a dynamic duo. The plumping strands from root to tip and enhances natural shine. Need to know about the brand? Give it up for Amica, a Brooklyn-based brand that crafts products for healthy looking hair that's always on trend. Full size of these, each bottle, one for the shampoo is $20 and the conditioner is also $20. So I got products for me and I got products for you for giveaways. What did you guys think about this box? I think my favorite item, I'm really anxious to try the Smashbox mascara. I am doing a mascara review series where I try on 5 different mascaras. I'll do it with a primer, without, kind of let you know what I think. So be on the lookout for this one in an upcoming try on video. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button twice and that'll turn on the notifications for you so you know when our next video will be uploaded. As always, you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.